Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP System review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and 100% commissions have recently come in. So down the right hand side here, you'll see it says my commissions $229. And more importantly in this video, I want to show you how, if you look in this blue box underneath this figure here, 904. This is 904 commissions have been paid to members in the last 24 hours. So it's not only converting well for myself, it's also working for lots of other members within the OLSP system. This product is called Meallink, and with the Meallink you get one link and you can earn up to 7 income streams by promoting this link. And the link in the description will give you access to this video, free video tour here by, this is the owner, this gentleman here is the owner and creator of Meallink and OLSP System, and his name is Crowe. Excuse me. Now Wayne's done a short video here, just 10 minutes long, that's going to give you an overview of how he can help you with Meallink start to make money online. I'm going to take you inside the members area shortly and show you exactly excuse me, show you exactly how this system works. So first of all, let me show you some proof of the multiple income streams. Go into commissions, and further down here we've got on here, let's have a look, let's get that out of the way. We've got 3 pages, so we're going to go into, let's just get rid of that. Don't want to go to support. Let's just go a bit higher up with this and click on here. So this goes right back to the very beginning of my journey. I joined on December the 6th. We're just blurring out members' information for privacy. And this Meallink commission here for $7. So the Meallink costs $7. It's a one-time payment. There's no monthly membership costs. So it's perfect if you're brand new, you're on a limited budget, and that's 100% commission. Now what you'll see here is some other products. You'll see Mega Messenger, which is another one of the products, and that is a $10.80. There's 2 Mega Messengers in there. We'll go on to the previous page, the previous page here, and you'll see another product here where you'll see some more Mega Messengers, but you'll also see 3 of these for list building and Magic Link, and that's another $7 commission. So we're on to 3 income streams so far, and in this one, which brings us up to date with the balance of $229, you'll see not just Meallink commissions, but you'll also see some more Mega Messenger one-time offer and some more list building and Magic Link. So 3 of those products are converting very well. And you're just promoting that one link to earn those multiple income streams. I want to show you now how this system works. Excuse me. So back in the members area. So when you join for a one-time $7 payment, the first thing I recommend you do, the owner Wayne, he really excels himself with the free training and support within this system. And first of all, you see here free, the top left-hand corner, these 2 trainings here are what I recommend you first watch. How I made 10 million in commissions. So that's Wayne himself. He's been in the industry for 15 years. And also the 100 commission hack. So I recommend that you watch those 2 videos first. There's a lot more free training, which we'll come to shortly, live trainings. The training really is really what sets us apart from some other systems out there. So let's have a look now at how this really works step by step. And when you get your Meallink, what happens is, I want to show you there's nothing hard or anything, nothing technical about this system. And even though on this page here, if you're brand new, you might think there's a lot of boxes on here, and it looks really complicated, but it's not. I'm going to show you why now. So this is the Meallink training. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 videos there. And within this training, you'll see a line down here. So Wayne has drawn a line in this training here. He does the trainings personally himself. This line here is really important because to the left of the line over here is all that concerns you. All you've got to do. Because to the left of this line here, you'll just see 2 boxes. And one of these boxes is your Meallink here. So in the top right hand corner, you've got your Meallink. That's what you get when you pay your one time $7. And all you've got to do, you've only got to do one thing. You've got to do one thing. And that is this here. And that is learn how to generate traffic. And then you generate traffic and you promote one link, your Meallink. And Wayne's going to train you over here on the right hand side. So on the right hand side here, Wayne does everything for you. Absolutely everything. He's going to train you on how to get traffic to your Meallink. So what happens is you get a lead capture page like this. And your Meallink that you promotes this page. And then your prospects put their email in there. So you don't even have to create any lead capture pages. You don't have to create any autoresponder messages. And everything on the right-hand side over here is a complete done-for-you funnel ecosystem. Wayne has created all of this for you. And once you promote your Meallink, once you drive traffic, just the one thing for you to do, once you do that one thing, he takes over on this side over here. He does all this for you. So you're going to promote your lead capture page. Your prospects are going to opt in and join the email list. He's going to send out emails for you automatically. So it's a complete done-for-you system. You don't have to write any emails. You don't have to pay for a monthly autoresponder. Now, within those emails is going to be your affiliate links. So he's promoting you. And remember, all of this is just a one-time $7 payment. No monthly membership costs, no lead capture page to create, no autoresponder messages to create, no monthly autoresponder costs. And then within these emails, what he does, he promotes offers with your affiliate linking. He promotes these offers. Now, when a customer buys, he sends out those emails for life. And within these emails, these offers are, some of them are low ticket offers. Some of them are a bit slightly higher. Some of them are monthly recurring payments where you can earn recurring commissions. Let's put RC here. You're just doing one thing, learning traffic. And there's also some higher ticket offers here. So he's doing all of this for you and he's promoting. And at the end of it, what comes out is where you earn commissions. That's you earning commissions. Let's put Y for you. And that's all you've got to do. Very, very simple system. Wayne is a genius affiliate marketer, and it gets even better for that. Down here, you'll see in the funnel, he's got a Facebook group. And within the Facebook group, there are 142,000 members. So you're going to get all the help, support. There's weekly live trainings, there's replays, There's there's brand new people in here showing how they're making the first dollars online, how they're getting into profit. You've got some very experienced affiliate marketers that are going to give you help and support. And Wayne is also very active within the Facebook group as well. So there's everything you need here to become successful and start to make money online with OLSP System. So I'd like to make an income disclaimer. There's no guarantees or not making any income claims in this video. I'm just showing you that what works for me. And we've all got an equal opportunity with OLSP System to become a member and promote the offer as an affiliate. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me on how to make money online, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. And if you've got any questions about OLSP System, please put those in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions for you. I'll also put my email address in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. So I recommend that you come and meet Wayne Crowe. He's doing some great things with the members of OLSP System. Link in the description will take you to this free video tour here. Come along and meet Wayne, and he'll explain how this system can work for you. And he wants to help everybody succeed online, and he's doing a fantastic job with his trainings and systems. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.